Today, we're going to learn how to tie a sheet bend. Remember, if you want to tie a sheet bend, it is to connect two ropes of different thickness. First, you make a loop with the thicker rope, like this. Then, with the thinner rope, you thread it under and over the loop, just like this. Now, you move the end of the rope under the thicker rope, under the loop, and then you put it through again, like this. Finally, you thread it under the original length of the rope of the thinner rope that you do, and then you pull tight. And that's a sheet bend.